So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And as you know, Google Nano Banana, the secret AI model, has been released now, and Google Gemini 2.5 Flash Image is the model name, and it is an OG at image editing and image generation. As you can see on my screen, some of the samples are coming, and this looks to be a monster of a model. It has taken the top one spot on image editing for now, overtaking flux context as well. And this is a revolutionary times that we are going ahead. We would be testing out the model also. The model is given free access on Gemini and AI Studio as well. So let's test out the model first. So what I did here is I uploaded my book cover, model context protocol, and asked it to generate a random guy holding this book and promoting it. And here is the result. This is just awesome, I would say. Pretty realistic, and it's just look awesome. I can't say what to say about this image editing. Let me try again with something else. So this is a YouTube thumbnail that I'm uploading here. I've created for myself. Extract the human in this thumbnail and make it promote the book that I've uploaded earlier. So in this thumbnail, there is a human being going shocked. Let's see what it is able to do with this. But this model is state of the art for image editing, as on LM Arena mentioned like this. And when I tried it for my book cover, it just looks awesome. You can also try the model on AI Studio as well. And I think good times ahead, scary times ahead, I would say. I think it generated something else. Couldn't make sense. No worries. Let's try out something else. Generate an image with heaps of this book lying around, and people are busy buying it. So let's see whether it is able to generate this or not. And this is quite customized use case that I'm trying here. So I'm not sure. The examples that have been shown and whatever samples that are circulated on Reddit for like 1 month now are looking scaringly good. And now the model has been there. And as you can see, oh my god, as you can see, model context protocol, this looks scaringly good. Everywhere the book is there and everyone is buying the same book. Amazing, amazing edit. And the model is free to use on Gemini 2. On Gemini app as well. I don't see any limits for now. I think there would be limits. So now let's talk about the features of the model before we wrap this up. So as you now saw, it has got some great image editing capabilities. Generate, transform, and edit images with simple text prompts or combine multiple images to create something new, all in Gemini. So we'll first of all talking about the capabilities. Character consistency, it's USP. Here you can see that all the samples, it is able to intact the character features while adding the new things to it. Two images are added and they're in love. Different professions for the same guy. This is gaming. This is very nice. What a use case. Dinosaur. Prompt combine create. Merge up to 3 images to create something new. Generate surrealist art combine photo elements. So these are two images and the combined version is this. Let me try it out on Gemini again. This is interesting. So again, I'll provide my book cover and let's provide something else. What's there on my browser? Yeah, this is my YouTube logo. Let's see what it generates from this. Make a YouTube thumbnail where the YouTube icon is the second image and promoting for the book. The title should be Buy Now. I'm just giving a random prompt. I'm also not expecting what will output, but given its capabilities, it would be outputting something great for sure. As it mentioned, we can merge three images to generate a final one. So I'm trying that feature too here. Just a second. Even the speed is quite good, I would say. I think Google has done some tremendous work because they were way behind in generative arrays, and within last 1 year with the Gemini series, they are able to come back very strong. And the thumbnail is there by now. Pretty good. Very nice. I would say I was not able to imagine how it will do it, but this looks amazing. Now let's go back to our features page. Control the details. Create and edit images, powerful control. Replace the background, restore faded images, etc. Push designs and boundary, experiment creative directions. This is very interesting. It is able to input this butterfly image and it is able to now wear it as a model. It's amazing. If you now look this one, this is out of the box. The cushions are gray. You provide a color palette and cushions are colored now. Same goes for this. Amazing work. Amazing work. What a model this is. I think it's way stronger than Flux Context for sure. It is adding multiple palettes. Oh my god. What an output. One prompt, many possibilities, an entire comics is getting generated. Key features are multimodal understanding, conversational inputs, use everyday language while creating images. The prompts are not very complex if you noticed. And real world knowledge, generate images that follow real world logic. Benchmarks, as you might have guessed, it's topping everything. Text rendering, and as you can see here, Gemini 2.5 flash image, it's pretty good. I think on text rendering it's a little poor. Apart from that, the model looks quite interesting to watch out for image editing. As mentioned, it's the OG model. For the limitations, factual representation, not every image Gemini generates will be perfect. Character features, the model excels at character consistency, but it may not always get it right. I think this is a problem with most of the models. They are also introducing something called as synth ID, a tool that embeds a invisible digital watermark into an image that can be identified as AI generated. This is very interesting. And how to try out the model? I think we are just trying it out on Gemini app, even on Google AI Studio, and on Gemini API also you can try out the model. This is humongous release. This is a monstrous release, and I think image generation and video generation with WAN S2V also coming into the picture is not going to be same forever. Do try out these models and be scary, be happy, and wait for AI. Thank you so much.